In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to your Webflow workspace. If you're collaborating with clients, reviewers, or stakeholders who don't need full team seats, inviting them as guests is a quick and flexible way to share access. You'll do everything from within your project, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening your Webflow project in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and looking at the specific site you want to share. It helps to give the page a quick once over to confirm it's the right project and that everything is in a share ready state. Once you're in, look toward the top of the interface for the share button. It's typically located in the upper area of the designer or project view, and clicking it opens a panel with your sharing options. In the Share panel, you'll see two straightforward ways to bring people in. The first is to generate a share link. This option is perfect when you want a quick, lightweight way to let someone view or interact according to the access allowed by your plan and settings. Click to create or copy the link, then paste it into your preferred communication channel. A quick tip here: labels help. Add a note when you send the link so your recipient knows what they're looking at and what kind of access they have, such as viewing a preview or providing feedback. The second option is to invite by email. Use this when you want to control exactly who gets in and keep a clear record of guests tied to your workspace. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite, double check for typos, and send the invite. Webflow will handle the rest by emailing them instructions to join. Depending on your plan and the specific sharing context, you may see options that clarify what guests can do, like view content or make limited edits. Choose the level that fits your workflow, keeping in mind that stricter access is usually safer to start with. You can always expand permissions later if needed. That's it. Once you've either copied the share link or sent the email invite, your guests can access your project as intended. If anything changes, you can return to the same share button to manage or update access using the same panel. With these tools, collaborating in Webflow stays simple, controlled, and efficient. No complicated setup required. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother collaboration experience in your Webflow workspace.